Think of it as the final solution. A chunk of ice and stone in space, 1,000,000 tons of retribution raining on our human race, and on the way we wander daily, living out our chosen roles. I'm the one they call it crazy, I'm the one that's in our stone. So you weigh it with your praying hands and see the truth for what it is. Look around you when you're silent, look inside you when you're still, and see the new door as it opens. Let your hands go and be free. Let your mind and body take you to the mountains, on into the sea. Oh. There you go, here we are. It's not like it's the first time we've had to do this. There you go, here we are. Here I am, I'm outside and I'm standing. I am outside 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 standing. I am out. Sweating, I regain my senses, rising slowly to my feet. I begin to feel repentant, tired, but I'm so relieved, and nightly now the constant vision blaze beneath the speckled sky. I always wake before the finish, I always wake before I die. I always wake before I die. You see, truth be told, we never feel it. Just surprised, I guess, then gone. It makes you think about how you're living and reminds you that it won't be long. It might be now, it might be never. In any case, we'll all be dead. So take some time to view the night sky. See the comet coming straight for your head. See the comet coming straight for your head. There you go, here we are. It's not like it's the first time we've had to do this. There you go, here we are. Here I am, I'm outside and I'm standing. I am outside 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 standing. I am out.